My name is Milt Itskos. I'm with Spartans Tuning.
My name is Juan Bonilla. I'm from RSC Automotive Repair Center in Southern California, San Clemente.
I'm Kelly and Amy Michel from Kelly's Auto Repair and Service in Dunellen, Florida. We have been with 360 for about 6 or 7 years. We recently switched to Tekmetric. It works with both, and it's always worked very well for us.
We have integrated with Tekmetric.
We use Tekmetric.
I like the text to send to the customer. It makes it much more easier, more convenient for the customer to actually complete the transaction.
The integration with Tekmetric, we love the text-to-pay feature. We love that our customers can pay. It's touchless pay system, and we love it that it integrates with 360 payments. So especially right after COVID when we started doing it, so it was a big game changer for us. So I think just having that flexibility for our customers is really nice.
Well, like I said, anytime we've had a problem, they fix it for us right away. Occasionally we'll get like an electrical glitch, power will go out momentarily, and the system will go down, and they walk us right through everything, and we have it up and running in no time.
It's much more streamlined. That way it's making it easier where they don't even have to come to the shop. A lot of the times we just leave the vehicle outside and they're already prepaid and everything done ready for pickup.
Oh, it's beautiful because, I mean, with different schedules with the customers, I mean, they don't even have to come in the office if they don't want to, you know, they can pay over their phone, they paid, they can get the invoice as a text or email, and we have their car ready, keys are in it, we know when they're coming, we don't even see them, you know, so if that's something they want, then we can offer it.
It's wonderful. The integration has been seamless, and the text to pay is fantastic, and it's really working well with Tekmetric.
Yeah.
Because everybody can do text to pay, and then we just post it right away.
So the funds, we've used it for expanding our payroll, right? We've used it for pay equipment, or even paying off other high interest loans at the moment that we're like, wait, if we can cut this $20,000 high interest loan or this $15,000 high interest loan, I'm already saving $2,000 to $3,000 a month, right? So, and that will go to pay for that loan that we get from Capital, 360 Capital. So we use it to balance our books so we can put more money in the bottom line.
It's a very nice service. It is streamlined where you can actually send links through your cell phone. Very easy to use, very easy to do business with.
Oh, dude, why not? I mean, the question would be, why not? I mean, unless you have more experience than us, you got money not to worry about, then you're good. But if you're somebody like me that wants to move to the next level, but you're having a hard time finding a financial institution that will help you to get there, I will say that this would be your answer.
I highly recommend it. We've never regretted it once and have no desire to change.